That's resiliency. You pause. It's not a sign of weakness. We're so used to this uh, pardon me for the word, rat race. We're so used to this like alam mo yung dagang Costa na nando sa ano umiikot
Oo,
That's it. There will
hamster.
hamster.
Oo.
There will come a time you'll be thrown off that yung umiikot-ikot na yon. Then because you refuse to pause. Ang
Yun,
makina, companies are spending millions of dollars to ensure their systems, the hardware are always working fine and they have resiliency. May backup 1, backup 2, backup 3. Because kailangan siya, may PM ka. Ganon din ang tao.